Testing APIs with Postman is a straightforward process that allows you to send HTTP requests and analyze responses. Here's how to do it. Install Postman. Download and install Postman from the official website or your preferred package manager. Create a new request. Open Postman and click on the New button to create a new request. Choose the appropriate HTTP method for your API endpoint. Enter a request URL. Enter the URL of the API endpoint you want to test in the request URL field. Add headers and parameters. If necessary, add headers, query parameters, request body, or other configurations to the request. Send request. Click on the Send button to send a request to the API endpoint. View response. Postman will display the response from the API endpoint, including status code, headers, and response body. Analyze response. Review the response data to ensure it matches your expectations. You can use Postman's features to format and inspect the response data more easily. Test different scenarios. Repeat the process with different inputs or configurations to test different scenarios and edge cases.